Okay, guys, I'm voiceover anonymous because I'm the type of person, as I'm sure many of you are, that if you're not enjoying something you're making, you just can't do it. But I was determined to try this new method of making a journal cover. And I have the spine in the way she made it. And, I'm just not happy with it. I'll be honest with you. It's not my journals, and it's a little wobbly in the spine. So I'm going to go ahead and finish it, but then I'm going to start a new series after December the 6th, showing how I actually do my journals, because my spines don't go anywhere. They're very sturdy. And that's what I like in a journal, and that's what the people who commission me to make journals for them like. So, I want to share it with you, and even though I use a specific type of product, I will tell you other things you can use in yours. So I'm just going to scrap this one, and after December 6th, start over.